What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So in a previous video, we painted my brother's EF hatch here, this light turquoise color from Rust-Oleum, and it turned out amazing. Pretty phenomenal paint job for only spending like whatever it was, like 35, 40 bucks or whatever. And after I did my car lime green with bed liner, my brother was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and do this to mine. So that's what we're doing here. We're going to be bed lining it. We have the Raptor liner here. We've already mixed and put everything in them, poured it all. If you guys need a video on how to mix Raptor liner, my previous video of the lime green bedline paint job on the Civic, I have that full how-to on there. But it's basically just PPG paint that we got from a local place in Killeen, Texas called Tasco. They mixed the color up. We added a lot of pearl into this. Even though it's a solid color, pearl's harder to show up, but it does show up, so it's really cool. So we've already got these two ready, so we're just gonna go ahead and put the spray gun on it, which is over here, and this basically just screws in. This is set at 60 to 65 PSI. It's a small 8-gallon, it works great. But we sanded the car down with some 180 grit. You can go anywhere from 80 to 180, and it's basically ready to be painted. We're also doing inside of his gas lid, his door jambs, and all of that, just like we did on the lime green car. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and set the camera up, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so here it is. It took 4 liters, which I believe 4 liters is 1 gallon. But we did have to go over a somewhat lighter of a blue turquoise color. But you can definitely see that there's a metallic-y type look to it, even in this low lighting. So out in the sun, it should look really awesome. But we made sure to get everywhere very thoroughly. We even like emptied all of the bottles into one just to have a little extra. But we pulled it off, and we were able to get the door jambs. It's looking really, really nice. Once the door panel goes on, you won't see that. But yeah, so now we have to pull the tape while it's tacky, as usual. That way it doesn't pull the paint with it. We got the wing done as well, 2 coats, and yeah, it's looking good. This did take a little more also because he had a hood. I have a carbon fiber hood, so I didn't have to do it. Mine only took 3, and his took 4. But we did the top side and underside of the hood, so that's pretty impressive. But yeah, a little leaf blew up in there. We'll pull that out. But we're gonna go ahead and start peeling all the stuff off and putting it back together. Here it is all put back together. It looks so nice. So what do you think?
I love it.
Isn't it awesome?
Most definitely. I think this is the way to anyone should paint their car. It's durable, it looks good, it accents the body lines like
crazy.
You can't go any better.
And for it only taking 4 of these Raptor liner containers, I mean, they're
look at both
4
of them.
liters. Yeah, I mean, both of them look absolutely amazing. And you can really see that gold shimmer that's in my green now that it's...
This one too, you can see it.
Yeah, and this one has a lot of flake we put in it, so it's probably going to look really nice out in the sun. We got both of them. They're both 90s, which is kind of cool.
Right.
And I was born in 90, and his was actually made in the month I was born, so
4
April.
of 90.
Yep, 4 of 90. Man, they just look so good seeing both of them. I really love bedline paint jobs. I don't expect anyone to understand unless they come and actually see it in person. That's the biggest thing. And yes, we know there's a dent there. Someone pointed that out in a video. I was like, yeah, we know it's there. We were supposed to have a piece to fix this, but it wasn't in the car. So we just said, you know what, whatever, let's just paint it. And it looks really good, even with that little tiny thing, but it would look so much better if that were
It's a
fixed.
daily.
It is a daily.
I'm not even worried about it.
And mine will be a daily. It's not daily yet because we still have to do some interior work, but that'll be done tomorrow and it's going to look so nice.
Yeah. Actually, it's all right there.
Yeah, all the interior's just chilling out here in the front yard. But yeah, there's Lilith. And if you guys haven't, subscribe to Texas Honda channel. Just type in Texas Honda channel. It'll also be in the description. But yeah, it came out so nice. And he's got the dry carbon wrap right here on the gas lid, just like on mine. His is actually down all the way up the pillar, though. It looks like broken glass out in the sun. It's amazing.
Everyone keeps saying if it's broken.
Yeah, everyone thinks it's broke, but it's not. And we even have his VIN plate there. Mine was destroyed on mine, so that's why you didn't see it on mine. But the door jambs came out amazing. Looks so good. We painted this piece in here black. I just love how it looks.
It looks hundreds and hundreds of times better.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a before of what this car looked like the day he got it, like what, 2-3 weeks ago?
Yeah, 2-3 weeks ago.
It has changed so much, and it runs good. He's taken it to and from Kansas and basically from Louisiana to here, and this is a good car.
317,000 miles, original motor, running strong.
Yep. But yeah, these bedliner paint jobs are super durable, and if you do it the way that we've been doing it, where we put a light, pretty much the same color as a base, and then you scuff that up and put the color you want over the top, then it doesn't take as much raptor liner. But you can use like 8 to 10 liters and get the same effect without having to go through those extra steps. It's just, it costs more to do that than it does to just paint it and then scuff it up, and then on top of that, just shoot your color. But both of the beauties right here, both 90 EFs. Mine will be getting some more love here soon, but heck yeah. But if you guys like these kinds of videos, definitely consider subscribing, checking out my other playlists. I have way more content like this, and we're going to be doing even more of these bed lines. I know you guys like the spray can content and spray gun content, but I really love bed liner, and I will still be doing spray can and spray gun stuff. The spray gun stuff will probably be, you know, like clearing the hood and stuff, but that will all be coming in the near future, so definitely stay tuned and turn the bell icon on and subscribe. But we'll go ahead and get off here. We got some more cleaning up to do. All that stuff outside has to come in here, so we got to move these out. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.